Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to download different climatic data from Copernicus website using CDS API in Python. Usually there are a certain limit for downloading the data in bulk. If you want to download multiple year of data, you can't download more than certain number of file at one time. But in this tutorial I'll show you how you can use Copernicus CDS API and create a loop to download the data in bulk. So here, if we download for this demonstration, I'll be using ERA 5 hourly data. And if you are interested in downloading reanalysis and you want to download 10 meter U component of wind and 10 meter V component of wind, so we can select how many years you want to download the data of. So if we select all, for months, all day, we can select all day. So this is a hourly based data. So if we want hourly based data, you can select all. And for this is a global data. So if we want to have a global data, you can choose this option. Otherwise you have the sub-region extraction. So you can insert north, west, east and south boundary condition here. And for calculating these boundaries, there is one website. It is very helpful. It's called bounding box. This is the website, and here you can choose Dublin core. And if you want to select one area, so let's say we are interested in USA, we just put it here. But if we are interested in, like, say New York, we can select New York here, and these are the boundary condition, and you can just copy these ones and you can insert here. But for this demonstration, let's say we want to have a global data. There's two format for this data. So we have GRIB and netcdf, but we will select netcdf. And here we can see we have only 120,000 limit for downloading this data. So how we can download all the data we selected without just going through each year at one time? So it will take some time to download and just changing the script every time. But there is one easy way. We can create a for loop, and it will just run and all the files will be downloaded. So we can clear this off and we can select only 1 year. Here it's okay now. So we can select this Python code. We just have to say for year in range. So number of year you are interested in, let's say 1979 to 2021. And we just so we have year is 1979, but we are interested from 1979 to 2021. We just say string year. And for having different file for each year, we can change it here. So let's say ERA 5 wind 10 meter, we say string year plus, and this will work. So we can try it. Let's try to run it. So here you can see the request is running, so it will download all the files based on each year, and you don't have to do anything else. And just it depends on what number of years you want. You just put in this range and it will run and download all the data for these years. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you like it and if it is useful, please give a like to this video, and for more you can subscribe to my channel. And if there's any topic you want me to cover, just comment and I'll try my best to cover that in next videos. Bye.